guys, welcome back to another RG Outdoors video. This weekend's video, me and my buddy Alex went for our last trip of the summer up to the Dean, the river that about half an hour from the house, half an hour 40 minutes, and we did have some luck, and we did end up going to shoot some of my guns later in the afternoon. So guys, stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Oh no. You would think. Bringing the geese are there. Should have brought my shot. Should have brought my shotgun. Nice red. One more cast and try it. Different part of the bank. Oh yeah, right there. Money. Come on, money. Bad stop for towards the bank. Of course, come around this corner and the wind picks up and turning me. Moving on up. Geez, a beautiful day out for this. Alright, money spot. Come on, money. I hit the water and somehow I landed in the tree? What? That doesn't make any sense. Come on, right in there. If that don't catch a fish, I don't know what will. Nothing. Guys, we're here at a spot where we caught a few weekends back. I didn't record this or anything, but we caught our PB bass at this spot right here. So hopefully another one's back here. Wind's picking up and blowing me out of the spot before I even get good a couple casts. God. Well, I wish I had an anchor on this little kayak, but let me change something a little more shiny. Just a little more shiny. There we go. It's a little bit heavier too. It looks good going through the water. You'd think a fish would want to eat that. Please. Alex is hooked into one. Monster.
He's a fucking tank. Let him fight.
We caught a trout earlier that we forgot to record.
Oh my god, bro. It's another fucking unit.
And he's got a... It's a bass? Or is that a trout?
Go! Let's fucking go, man.
I gotta get this rod out of the way so we can get up and get a closer view of this monster. It's a river monster.
Let's go, man. I'm a fucking first time on a spinner. You got fish?
Look
Let's
at this
go.
thing.
Let's go.
That's a monster.
That's a monster.
Woo!
Yes.
Did I get my phone?
Gorgeous. Yeah, get your phone.
Where's my phone anyways?
Buddy,
What's
I
in my phone?
watched him. All I see is a single whoop. Like another picture like the last time.
Just like the last time, yeah. Sweet. Woo! There he goes!
There he goes.
Just like mine.
Oh,
Right after we get the picture.
Oh, shit, come on.
There we go. Knocking skunked.
Let's go, man.
That is a beautiful day for it. Alex just caught his fish. I caught my big trout at the start, and of course I was so excited I didn't record it. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's the last weekend of fishing before hunting season starts. Duck opener was today, but I didn't go. But deer season starts next Tuesday, so the videos are going to be switching from fishing to hunting. I thought we'd get one more fishing video out. Hopefully we catch a fish for y'all to see, but Alex caught his, so we're going to see what happens. The day is still young. We're going to go shoot some guns later this afternoon, but we're going to see. It has been a good summer though for fishing, guys. I'm just ready for hunting. Season opened up. Small game opened up a couple days ago. Duck, goose, and everything opened up today. I can see that in the water. It means they can. I'm going to play limbo with this tree here. Maybe not. Just one for the video. Come on. Oh, that's why it's freaking off. Yeah. Bail shut on me. Yeah, really. Bird's nest. Baitcaster's still out of commission. Fishing was alright this morning. I caught a trout, Alex caught a bass. Now we're just out shooting some guns, shooting some fruit, some club sodas. I'm about to shoot a papaya. That's the video that we just shot. The papaya. Entry. Entry. Exit.
Huge difference. And it
762 by 39. Oh yeah. Yep. Gotta shoot it with that cat. 2 rounds. I need to work on my shooting. Yeah, you're accurate. Me, I'm freaking all over the place. If that was a deer, I'd probably find a way to miss. Yeah. It's more of like, you just want to do it if you're hunting. If you're hunting and you come across one that has an issue. Yeah.
Have you seen the ones that have like the big things on the faces? Like The Last of Us? I'd be like, ah! Okay, go, let's go. Wait into. Holy shit, rookie. Jeez. What's going on? I want to bring him forward. I'm so excited.
We're going one more round. I think I missed again. Just a little bit to the right. Oh my god.
That's a fucking.
That's an exit.
That's an. You're not gonna recover from that one.
Nope. She's still got some life in her. We got our small arsenal. SKF, Knox semi-automatic shotgun, Winchester 22, GSG 16, Browning DPS pump 12 each. And we've shot some bottles. We got one bottle left. We got the Santa Claus melon. It's literally, it says Santa Claus on it. I've never heard of that either, but hopefully that thing blows up really, really well. And the fire is still down there. Tearing it up. You knocked it off like second shot. Oh yeah. GSG 16, totally worth the money.
Paya's hurt. I think we got one more. I think we need to take her out.
With a shotgun?
Yeah. We got some papaya blood.
Wow. Got some juice on the camera. Yeah. Let her wide open.
Still hanging on.
Think one more? I usually do it upside down, like that.
That's the best way to do it.
Yeah,
Right?
we're gonna do it, get a little close for this. I'm gonna blow it up real good. Mm.
You got a camera, I got a camera. I'll talk to you.
Don't miss.
If I do,
Now we shall set up
this Santa.
Santa Claus. This Santa.
That's a stupid missile. But I like it.
The Sandy melon. No.
Maybe we could wedge a stick under it or something.
Put it on that flat side right there. Yep, perfect.
Okay.
There we go.
Ciao.
The last melon.
The last meal.
The last one. See how this one blows up.
Yeah. That's fine. Whatever. Now there's one. Shit. Yeah. There's one. I hope it's oh, you leak it. I'm not gonna shoot it anymore because I don't do nothing left.
We're gonna go check on Santa Claus now. Santa Claus is not coming to town. A long walk. Split it right in half.
That's insane. Oh, it's like a cantaloupe.
Oh yeah. Like it just. Oh yeah.
Oh, maybe it's a little
Maybe. Oh! Blew up.
That's it for the fishing videos. The summer was good. We had some good luck, caught some good fish, a lot of fish, more than previous summers. But the videos aren't over. It's now hunting season, so the hunting videos will be coming out. We got deer videos, we got duck videos, we got small game hunt videos, all coming soon. So stay tuned. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you guys have a good one. Catch y'all next
I'm
week.
gonna sing one more verse and I ain't gonna sing no more. I'm gonna sing one more